Hello all. So in this particular video, we are going to have a look at how to get the statistical performance of your results in a very easy and descriptive manner. Normally, whenever we talk about, I'm currently using an example of concrete test results here. Normally, when we talk about statistical performance, we calculate the standard deviation, we calculate the average, we calculate the minimum and maximum values, because that also gives you an indication of how much variation probably is there in your results, and then the range, which is nothing but the maximum minus minimum. So normally when we calculate, we generally use Excel, which is a phenomenal tool. And generally for standard deviation calculation, we type a formula STDV S and we select the results and we get the standard deviation, right? Similarly, if you want to have average, we select average formula and we calculate the average of results. Now, if Excel would have been providing a tool where I can get all these results plus additional statistics on the result performance itself, that would be great, right? So Excel does have a tool and it makes us getting the data or the statistical performance much easier. So for that, we just need to go to the data tab. When we go to the data tab, there is an add-in which needs to be enabled called as descriptive statistics. So now we can see here in all of these entries, there is no data analysis. So we need to enable that plugin. For that, we need to go to the options tab in your Excel, go to add-ins, go to Excel add-ins here and go select analysis toolbar. So once you select this, your data analysis tab will be visible in your data tab. So if I want to do complete statistical analysis, I click on this data analysis. Then we go to descriptive statistics and we just select here the range of results which we want to get the statistical performance for. So I've just selected the results here. I will select the output range in this sheet itself so that it is visible. I don't need to change the sheets again. I'm just selecting this particular cell. Then I will click on summary statistics. So I'll get the complete summary. Now, after clicking yes, I'll get the complete statistical analysis for this particular result. Now, what is it? See, we got mean, which is the correct technical name for average, which is 33.62, which we have calculated here. We also got standard deviation, which is 2.765, which we again got here as well. We got the minimum values, which is 28.24 out of this entire set of results. And we also got the highest value, 38.91. We got the sample count, which is 30 numbers. We also got the range, which is maximum minus minimum. And we also got coefficient of variation, which is 7.64% in this case. So with this simple command, we can calculate standard deviation. Along with standard deviation, we can calculate the entire set of statistical performance for your results much easily. So this was just a short video. Thanks all. I hope this actually helps you in getting the data much quicker rather than having formulas. That's it from my side. We'll have another video for the frequency distribution curve. So thanks all. See you next time.